What is this dirty cloth?
I got an information that she'll be running away with this sari. That's why I removed it from her.
How did she run away like that, man?
She went away with my cloth.
Horrible fellow, man. Hello, for that you should not be standing here. You go to the police station and give a
I
complaint.
cannot go there.
Why?
For my previous wife, I gave a complaint there only. This fellow won't be accommodated anywhere. Go from here.
Get lost, man.
Bro, when will the collector come, bro?
Don't ask me all these questions, man. I'm already tensed.
Oh,
Nobody following the rules. That's why I don't like this country alone. Collector is not coming on time. I have been waiting for the past 2 hours. What do you know about this?
Shut up.
हम आपके हैं कौन? दिल वाले दुल्हने ले जाएंगे कभी खुशी कभी गम दूध वाला पानी मक्कर चौला बर्तन ये सब मिक्सिंग वेरी टेस्ट
Is it?
यस जी शुक्रिया बहुत बुलाता है
Oh my God! I should have
जाओ,
known
जाओ,
that
जाओ.
before. Thank you so much.
What, bro? What did you tell him? He's running so fast.
Bro, what he said I did not understand, but what I said he understood.
What was that?
In the adjacent temple they are distributing free food.
Is it
Therefore,
true?
he ran
Sir. Collector sir. Collector sir.
Who is this? Please come here.
He's calling us.
What is he?
Guys,
What
are you doing, man?
Hi,
careful,
sir.
bro. Give the complaint.
Yes. Keep it, sir.
Here, sir.
What is all this? Sir, you were the person who distributed water to our village. Our village also got its first library started by you. Even the school also was started by you. Likewise, if you start a wine shop for us in our village,
yes, sir.
it would be actually very nice.
Wine shop? For all this, you want to give a petition and you came here.
Sir, this is not an ordinary petition. He is not knowing the seriousness about that. When we go to the nearby town for a drink, you know what they tell us? Our guys are wearing a dhoti and having a drink, and you guys are wearing trousers and having a
sir.
drink.
For wearing your trouser, you got beaten.
At least he got beating for wearing pants, sir. In my case, I was asked to strip my pant and I didn't have an underwear. That's why I got. Not only that, sir. Whenever we come by bike from anywhere, the policeman will ask us to stop the bike and blow our mouth for alcohol check.
Did he blow?
Boo! I blew,
No,
sir.
he will never ask us to blow.
Sir, both the towns are having a fight and people are getting hurted, sir. We want a separate bar, sir.
Somehow you do it for us, sir. We will surely vote for you the next time.
Oh God, this fellow doesn't know the difference between the collector and a councillor.
Sir, please help us, sir.
I have seen big violence happening in the name of caste. But for the sake of alcohol, this is the first time I'm seeing violence. I'll take action. Due to domestic and public violence happening, all liquor shops within the radius of 30-kilometer distance will be closed. And this is my order.
Come. Lift him. Come on, lift him. Oh, shit. What is wrong here? Bro, what is happening here? Why these ladies have come here?
Even I have a similar doubt.
Stop! Young ladies, please be quiet. Why this screaming and all?
Look, brother, till now MLA not able to do, even councillor also not able to do, but being a single person in all the surrounding villages, the wine shop has been closed because of you,
Closed all
no? That
wine
is why we
shops,
are celebrating.
I am not the reason for your satisfaction, madam. Look here, he's the man, this brave man. He fought for you women and he got justice.
A small village is changed like a Gujarat because of you.
What? Gujarat?
Brother, 1 minute. Since the collector closed all the liquor shops, one girl has fallen in love with your friend. This is a nice thing, right? Where is the problem here?
Because of that problem started. You want to hear what was that? Bro, what are you doing here?
Thought of withdrawing some amount from the bank. What are you talking, man? Bro, there is a problem in my lover's house. We are actually planning to elope today.
You just started loving today morning?
True love actually needs only half an hour, bro.
Look here, Mike. Let me tell you something. This kind of love will not be strong at all. You should be very careful. This is my advice to you.
Easily got girlfriend and a policeman's gun are both equally powerful, bro. Only you know how to talk rhymingly. Even I do know it, bro. Look here, bro. There is no time now. Just do one help for me. Tonight at 10 o'clock, my lover, she'll be coming and standing at the main road junction. You take her and run away. No, not like that. I meant you bring her. I'll be at the railway station. I'll be taking the ticket and waiting there.
No,
Please, bro.
I can't do it.
Bro, if you are not going to join us together, you will not see us alive from here on.
Hey bro, am I asking you to get me linked with Kate Winslet and Madeline Stowe? An ordinary girl with the face cut of an owl. That too came voluntary and fell into my net. Bro, if I miss this offer, I'll not get an offer again. Bro, please bro. Hey. Just think for once. In a small young age, you were only 2 years then.
Yeah, you were also 2-year-old. What do you want to say now?
Actually, you used to ask me every help.
Oh, my dear Mike, will you please stop the old story? You want me to bring your girl, that's it?
Yes.
I'll do it for you.
What help am I going to do to this guy? My dear bro. God knows what has happened. Yes, bro.
Hey Mike, I'm very near to your girl's house. Nobody's seen here.
I just called her now. She'll be coming in some time. You just wait there. She'll be coming soon.
Bro, she looks much older than you, bro.
Yes, bro. She's around 2 to 3 years elder to me.
2 to 3 years? She looks 2 to 3 older decades to you.
Hey, for love, age is not important. Mind is important. You jealous fellow. You first bring her here. And hey, when you come, don't try to be naughty with her. Always treat her like your sister.
What? My sister? I will give you nicely. She's already got a place in a graveyard and he's loving her.
No problem. My entire life is along with her.
Who can change your fate? My dear Michael, are you ready to marry this young girl Regina? Please open your mouth and tell.
I agree.
Young lady Regina, are you willing to marry this young boy Mike wholeheartedly?
Stop chewing the cud and say it.
Oh, no. Both of you exchange your ring and please leave the place immediately. Jesus, please save them. Mike, do you think she can prolong till your marriage?
Everything will be alright. You first shut up.
Oh my Jesus. So you have saved Mike.
Look, son, there are all the things for whatever she wants. Just take her fast.
Okay, come fast.
Wait. Give 2 punches and go.
How
Fast.
can I give you punches, mother?
Why you scared, son? Punch me fast. Then only everyone believe me that you have punched me and take her away. Come on, punch me. What for you thinking a lot? Come on, punch.
Okay, mother, as per your wish.
You know what is the meaning of punch, huh? Take Jackie Chan punch, Bruce Lee punch, Jet Li punch, mix all of them in your hand and give a punch like this.
Oh no, grandmom!
Hey, Mike, we have reached the station. Where are you waiting?
Thanks, bro. I'm standing in the queue. I'm coming.
Okay, come fast.
Okay.
You would have had a luxurious life in your family. Now you both are planning to leave this place and lead a very normal life with my friend Mike. He's got one irresponsible friend like me there. That house is very small, I say, and that guy will always be there. When you guys are having a private life, you may be watched, so be careful. One more thing I have to tell you. There is a cruel house owner lady. She will show her true face if you don't give the rent on correct time.
What, Kitty? You're not fit to give rent from 3 months? And now you want family and wife, huh? Shameless fellow.
Somehow I'll pay you the rent. For heaven's sake, don't come close to me and talk.
What did you say?
Nothing, ma'am. Just give me 1 hour time, house owner. I'll try sell her jewels and give you the rent.
Huh? Who is it?
Yeah, tell me, Mike.
Hey, bro. Suddenly they increased the ticket charges. A deficit of 20 rupees. Can you come and give?
Is that so? Okay, I'll come.
What?
He needs 20 rupees to buy ticket. Let me go and give him.
Excuse me. Can you give me your phone for a minute?
Yeah, you can make a call, but the balance is low.
Hey, sweetheart.
She will introduce herself.
Shit.
Yeah, Valarmati only.
Oh, come on, boss. We should not leave him at all. Come, search.
Hey, sweetheart. Have they come to send us off or what?
Eh?
Mike, looks like these guys have not come to send you off. Why are they coming with a lot of weapons? I think these guys are coming to finish you off. Come,
Oh
let's
my
move.
god, we should run then.
Move fast, Mike.
I only called them.
Why?
You look at this. I eat at 8 o'clock and I sleep at 8:10. I've had a rich upbringing. I can't come with you to a hut and bear all the mosquito bites.
I have purchased mosquito nets also.
Grandma!
There she is. See, he is only has given me a big punch on my face. Come on, go.
Mike, they're coming. Let's move.
You shut up your mouth.
Shit, man.
Oh
Come on,
my
let's
god,
get to the
instead of
apartment.
running
Come on, let's
around
get
with
in.
her, I am running
Quick,
around
quick.
with this fellow.
Good job you have done, brother. You have actually saved a sheep from the wolf. You have actually saved a big cookie from the dog. If only he would have married that girl, she would have had a baby and she would have been running from pillar to post begging. You have saved her, brother. You have saved such a nice thing you have done.
What are you saying, you bloody round pig? Without any control in your mouth, you're going on abusing. How dare you hurl so many abuses at me? Hey, do you know how difficult it is for a girl to love a person like me? And that too, tuning a girl within a very short while is even more difficult. If only she would have come with me, my life would have been totally different and we would have settled somewhere else by now. Without knowing all these facts, you are not supposed to simply blabber.
Pull him inside, Mike.
I should have actually killed him.
Brother, I didn't realize that you had such a big heart and such a small body.
Every human being will have a heart, you donkey. One more give. We won't blabber for simply talking. What do you want now?
I want this only, brother.
Bro, how can you get in the running train?
Listen clearly to whatever I'm saying now. Next station when the train stops. That way it will only stay for 2 minutes. So before the train stops, you start running onto the platform. And then as you continue running, you'll come across an iron bridge. There will be a main road on the left of the bridge. On the right side, if you look carefully, there will be a small stall. Just next to it, there will be a wine shop. You take the money and give. Whatever brand he gives, you take it and come immediately running back to the train. As you are coming back to the train, the last bogie of the train will be leaving the platform. You alight that bogie. Just mind one thing. If whatever I am saying, if you just miss 1 second, you will be missing the train and I'll be missing my liquor. Here, take the money. Oh, okay, go and come
So
fast,
now what
man.
I can understand is you have to have liquor.
Oh, yes.
Hey, come fast. Get down quick, Mike. Come fast, man.
I'm actually trying. Bro, my head is spinning. Feeling giddy.
One brandy.
It's overstand.
I want
It's
one whiskey,
overstand.
please.
I have given
Please,
first.
Come on, quick.
I want to drink urgently.
Hey, you buddy.
One
I came first. Give me the brandy.
One bottle
Hey,
rum
I'm
here.
asking you.
I'm
My
standing
hand.
for a very
Hey,
long time.
what is this?
I'll
I'm
just
standing
This
for
is
a
not
very long
fair.
time.
Hey,
Hey, bro, come fast, fast. Come. Run, fast. Give me a hand. Fast.
Don't worry, Jenny. You will be all right. Everything will be all right. You don't worry. Nothing. Don't worry, Jenny. I am there.
Auntie, I searched for a medical shop. It is not there. Body is very cold and shivering also. She needs heat now or else she'll get fits. Jenny,
Jenny.
please.
Jenny. Slow.
Jenny,
Oh.
Jenny.
Auntie, body control is getting normal now. Her shivering also will control by 10 minutes. In next station, we'll get down and go by ambulance. Jenny.
Don't pour water in it. Why did you spoil it?
Is it? Then I'll drink this.
No. It's okay. I'll take.
What is he doing?
How is this? I am like the swan. We have the capacity to separate both the rum and the water. Wait, I'll just fly and come.
Mr. Swan,
What?
don't try to fly too high.
Huh?
There are many electric wires above this train.
Is
You will
it?
get caught on that.
I have been flying for several years, a silly boy.
Go, man, go. Get lost.
Mike, I saw a girl in the wine shop. She really looks very homely, Mike. You should have seen her running to buy the liquor. She can beat an athlete. Why is she so addicted for that?
Bro, there is only gender separation in the restroom. Bar will not have all this.
First, you leave the village setup and come and join Facebook and Twitter. I feel ashamed of you.
How much should I pay to join that, Mike?
Bro, you are still behaving like the old people in the old age days. Kindly update yourself.
I was just kidding, Mike.
Be away from me. I can't believe you. You might also push and kill me.
Look, Mike, even I too have a Facebook and Twitter account, you know.
You also have several accounts in all the tea shops in the
Mike,
village.
let me
That
tell you
will say
something.
a lot.
Whatever I post on Facebook, I get a lot of likes for my post. You know that?
Don't simply blabber. Even a close-up shot of cow dung will also get comments. Wow, nice click, beautiful, wonderful, awesome. Nonsense. Some or the other fellow will keep commenting on all this nonsense.
I'm sorry.
Look, Mike, she's a girl whom I saw in wine shop. I think she's highly intoxicated.
Sorry.
Luckily, she didn't vomit on your face, man.
Hello?
Doctor, I'm Priya. Mother and baby are safe. By 20 minutes, we'll reach the station now. Then you will send the ambulance, no?
Hello, I'm not able to hear you. Hello?
Hello, doctor.
Hey, Mike,
Huh?
just see that. Smoke is coming from the restroom. I think she's smoking inside.
Bro, if you tonsure your head, hair has to grow. Similarly, if you booze, you have to smoke.
Excuse me. I need a small help.
Sorry, ma'am. Even our stock is very less.
No, actually, I need a phone.
Oh, phone. I'll give you. Take it.
Hey, where did you give the phone?
Leave it, man. What if she asks for this?
Hello? It's me, doctor. My phone has no charge. Next station we'll get down. If you come, we'll be ready there.
I'm sorry, today rooms are not available. Is general ward okay for you?
No problem. We no need any room. It can adjust wherever it is. We need only safety. How many of them are coming?
There should be 2 people with the ambulance.
Oh God, 2 members are not enough. Send 2 more people. Then only it'll be good.
4 people. Looks so simple, but seems to be very dangerous.
Ridiculous.
Okay, please come fast. Thanks.
Okay, excuse me.
Huh?
Actually, you were saying that you need 2 more people, so that's why would we be all right?
Okay. Why do you hesitate for this? Surely you'll use both of you.
What, bro? Can't believe she has agreed to accommodate both of us. Hey, pass me a cigarette. Man.
Hey, it's inside your pocket.
Oh, I have it or what?
No smoking inside the train. Otherwise, you'll have to pay the fine for that.
What? Why?
2,000 rupees you'll have to pay and 6 months in the jail.
And now you tell me all this.
Sometime back only one lady was running around with our vodka. That you didn't see. You won't catch people like them. You only have people like me to catch.
Hey,
that
what's
is
this?
Coke,
What's
that
this?
is Coke, man.
Stop it. I know this is rum and not Coke, okay?
It's not rum, man. It is brandy here. What happened? What is your problem after all?
With so much of trouble, I bought the brandy. This fellow threw it outside for no use to anyone.
Why are you like this, man? Why do you throw every time? Do something, man. Do something.
Hey,
Do.
you're mad or what? He's having a gun in his hand.
Then what do we do now?
If he shoots, all your brain will come out.
Then what do we do? Brother, do something.
I think he doesn't understand
No, he
English.
doesn't know.
Just wait and watch.
Dunk taka, tanana, 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 tanana. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजान
Oh my God, he's abusing your family. Stupid fellow. He's abusing your family. I think we should escape. La 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 la.
It was an excellent song. Superb.
He doesn't understand our language. You see. He has taken the gun to scratch his back. Brother. It'll take half an hour for the train to start. The other train has to cross now. Only if it crosses, this will start.
So what do you want me to do?
We know everything. Will you please shut up?
Hello. Please don't go anywhere. Surely I'll make use of you. Please stay there itself.
Look at her. She's so cautious as to not to miss a customer.
Mike, she really looks very beautiful and a very educated girl too. I'm sure she can earn good money working in a job. Why is she doing such dirty jobs? I don't know.
You're talking as if you got 2 factories in your village. Why can't you give this girl some job there?
Shut up.
Don't simply talk here if you cannot do something.
Hello.
A girl had talked to me sometime before from this mobile. Just find out from her where should we come.
Just cut the call immediately. Otherwise, you will get from me nicely.
Why are you getting angry, bro?
The guy is asking me where can he come and meet the girl.
When did you start this profession, dude?
Mike. Huh? Look, how many times should I tell you?
Hello. I'm Dr. Sadashum speaking. A lady had given birth to a child inside the train. The lady doctor who had conducted the surgery had called me just now. Just inform the doctor that I'm waiting with the ambulance outside the station. I'll come inside in some time. Okay? Hello?
What is he saying?
Hello? Can you tell me the platform number?
Excuse me. Please come. Come and help us. Come fast.
Come on, slowly. Careful. Yeah, come. Be careful.
Thank you. God bless you, my child. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Anand.
Pooh.
Hey, Mike. Do you know anybody from the political department?
Why, man? I know the CM itself.
Are you sure, Mike?
I seen the TV na daily.
Mike, I want to know whether you know personally.
For what, bro?
Actually, I need an engineering seat.
Engineer seat. You don't actually have any relations as such. There was actually only one old lady in your house. She too passed away very recently. Now for whom do you need the engineering seat?
I want to study engineering, Mike.
Hey, till yesterday you were playing cards with me. Why do you need engineering seat now?
How can I become an engineer in a month, Mike?
You ask me how to become a murderer in 30 seconds? I shall explain. One important thing, bro. 30 days is actually too long for you. Just go to some college in the morning and ask for engineering seat 1 parcel. They are going to hand it over to you immediately. But for that, you got to pass class 10 in the first place.
From today, I'm going to start loving the doctor.
Bro, you are revealing all surprises at the same time. I can hardly stand what you are saying. Is it all what you have, or do you have more of this sort in stock?
Look, Mike, if I need to marry a doctor in my life, at least I have to complete my engineering. Then I will be proud to mention my marriage card.
Marriage, yeah? According to me, in this station, there might be around 1000 people. They all will be having some or the other job actually with them. Huh? Why? The beggar who is actually begging in this platform will be planning to go to the other platform. But without having any job at hand and not even having any clue of what you're going to do the next moment, people like us who are simply loitering around. No, like you. How can you be adamant that you'll be only marrying a doctor? How can that be justified?
Mike, I just need an idea from you how to love the doctor. Don't talk too much.
Which means you should do something which would impress her.
How can I impress the doctor? You tell me.
You kidnap and throw her favorite pet into the well. Later on, you yourself rescue it. She'll be impressed.
But I don't know how to swim, Mike.
Then you go to her house and cook her something really nice. She'll love you.
I am not aware of cooking also.
In that case, you buy me 1 bottle of poison and kill me.
Mike, that's very easy for me. Can I do it?
Hey man, for making your romance a success, you're trying to kill me.
Mike, can't you give your life just for your friend's love?
I'll give it in a platter.
Hello?
Is Dr. Priya there? Hello? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Oh, I think he got fits.
Sir, are you online?
Come. Hold it.
Mike, you know something? Her name is Priya.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nobody in the world has kept this name, no?
Is that so, Mike?
Your teeth is going to get dirty. Speak fast.
Sir, please.
Hello, yeah, tell me.
I need to talk to Priya
Sure, just
urgently.
wait for a second, please.
Hey, walk normally and go, man. Hey.
Hello, I just found out Priya now. I'll give the call immediately. Priya, there is an urgent call for you.
Hello?
Hi, Priya. It's me, Jenny here.
Don't come to me.
Stay there. I
Don't
said stay
come.
there.
Don't come
Don't
close.
move.
Hey, go.
I said stay there.
Hey, don't come
Don't
close.
try to move.
Oh, move. Everyone move.
I'm
Move.
telling you.
Move.
Hey,
Don't come.
Stay there.
Hey. Don't come. I'll kill you. I'll stab you.
Listen to me. Just stay there. Hey,
Hey,
don't run. Hey,
don't
I
come.
said
Don't come
run.
close.
Hey, stay there. Hey.
He's here or what? Police. Outside. One
No,
man.
no. I have only one chapati with me. I cannot give it to you. You can have something from
Oh my
outside.
God, he is misunderstanding that I'm asking him chapati. Hello, chapati nahi. Come.
What?
Hey, not cone ice cream and cup ice cream. Come outside, man. एक लड़की, एक आदमी, खून.
Hey, don't follow me. Don't follow me.
Oh my God, what can I do? Chura, murder. One girl, murder.
Okay.
Oh man, yes, my policeman. Come fast. Come, take
let's go.
and go.
Wait.
Why are you again coming back? What happened? What are you looking? What are you looking for?
Actually, the bullets are missing in this.
Oh
If we go
my
there without the
God.
bullet, how can we catch him? Let me check
Oh
here.
my
It
God,
should
you
be
have
here
lost the
somewhere.
bolt also. Now what would we do? Okay, use this machine gun.
No use.
Hell with it, you fool.
Let me check it here.
Within this time, we will have committed the murder. You guys are carrying all sort of toys with you. Move!
Hey, don't run. Hey,
Don't come
stay
close
there.
to me! Go!
Hey,
go.
hey, put the knife down. Hey.
He ran away.
Where he went?
Hey, wait,
Hey, you!
naughty, naughty,
Hands
don't
up!
shoot him, don't shoot him! Oh my god, these sort of dumbasses are recruited in the police.
Is he not the murderer?
Just keep your mouth shut, you dumb fool. Doesn't know anything. Where did he run away?
I think he ran this way. Not able to find
तुम्हारा
him.
कारण वो भाग गया. Lazy fellow, when did I call you and when are you coming? Are you a watchman or
Hey!
what?
You better be careful with your words, okay? I'm not able to understand what are you talking about.
And just say this now. Ja, chapati, eat.
Trying to play the fool with me?
You're fine, no?
Yeah, I'm alright. By the way, who is he? Why is he trying to kill you?
Priya! Hey, Priya! Hey, Priya! Oh, my dear doctor. It's been 2 days since you came here. Didn't know the way to my house.
Hey, what you became so cute?
Hey, don't try and change the topic. I'm really very angry with you.
Hey, thought of coming to your home only now.
I've been dying to tell you one thing, you know that?
I'll say. Our classmate Karpaga is there, no? She got twins. That only, no?
Oh, no, not that.
No? Then Murli got job in Dubai, right?
Oh, no.
Hey, our 10th standard teacher Manimegal is there, no? Her husband might have ran away because of her torture, is it right?
Hey, none of these stupid things.
Then what?
I came to tell you about me.
Saying about you? What's that?
Mm.
Hey, who is that guy?
Won't tell you.
Hey, come on, say!
Are you able to hear?
Eh?
What's
What
your
about
name?
now? Eh?
Now are you able to hear?
I'm not able to hear.
Still can't.
No.
Nothing else. Just a pinch. It's over.
When you're lying down for the next 15 days, keep your leg raised.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright.
This is the 7th time I'm getting an abortion. Not even once I could save my child. My mother-in-law is torturing me with this. I'm really getting scared.
Bring your mother-in-law. I'll talk with her. Okay? If not this month, next month will be confirmed. At present, you take these tablets. Okay?
See how is Priya? If you also studied well means you also might become doctor, no? See how she is now.
If Priya didn't study so much, if you kept playing with me, she could have come to the factory to work with me, no?
Priya, do something to lock her mouth, dear. Then only she will be silent after her marriage also.
My dear doctor. Became a great doctor, no? Where are you going to inject me? In my hand or on my hip? On my hip, no?
Yeah, here only. Kalpana, this year alone 230 deaf patients are taking treatment, you know. 70 ladies got abortion and 12 members died out of heart attack in childhood. According to the government record, all these belongs to the same village. May I know what was the problem exactly?
It is all only because of the god. Whole village is not in good condition. We don't know when we are going to get relief.
Yeah, true. Should just go and die.
Hey, I'm seriously talking. Don't make fun, okay?
Yeah, I know. To be a comedian like actor Vadivel, you listen carefully to me. Your set, medicine, needles and all that, grind it well and take it off. Drink some milk.
Thank you, auntie.
Priya, affected people are all employees of one factory. That too, they have worked in SV Steel factory.
Yes, please.
Hey mom, at times of emergency you should make upma. That itself you're taking 1 hour.
If you go 5 minutes late, means nothing is going to happen.
Yeah. You think I'm going to marry the owner of SV Steel, no? However late I go, he'll welcome me like a queen, no? He's already married. I'll ask him if he needs a mistress.
Oh, Shut your nasty mouth, stupid. Have you got such a nice girl as your friend?
Bye 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 bye. Go go. Bye Priya.
Hey, Kalpana, wait! Hey, Kalpana, I want to see your factory.
Eh? Why do you want to ruin my job? You look very pretty, no? That's
Hey,
right.
listen
If
to
they
me,
see you
yaar.
over there, then they will look at me, no?
Kalpana, please, I have to see your factory.
Don't even think of it. You need a permission from head office. It's not an easy thing to do.
I want only your permission.
What are you telling me? Why, Priya? If we get caught, they're gonna kill me.
No problem. In 3 months, we'll get again.
Hi, brother. Hey, it's all okay. Come. Hi, doctor. What are you doing here?
Just shut up. Keep shut.
Hey,
Be careful.
come now, let's go. What are you doing here? Huh?
Keep silent.
What are you doing? Tell me, what are you doing?
Shut up.
Hey, that's a no entry section. Nobody is allowed inside.
Can't hear you.
Nobody is allowed inside. It's very strict there.
Okay, you go.
You
I'll see.
never listen to me. No,
You
come
go.
again. Priya, don't go.
Generally, a normal person 70 to 80 decibel sound only can hear. But your factory has recorded a 140 decibel sound. It is more than the thunder sound. Because of the workers working in the lot of sound only, they are getting headaches, heart problem, BP raising, concentration problem, and they may get heart attacks even. Just like water pollution and air pollution, this sound pollution also gradually kills the person. See how it is. No one is caring about it. Not only in the developed countries, even in the developing countries, they are taking care of the sound pollution. But we people are still in LKG level only. Now only we got orders after 8 o'clock we should not give volume, and after 10 o'clock we should not crack crackers and all. To say silence also, we practice to say loudly only.
Stop the machine! Stop the machine! Somebody stop the machine! Operator! Stop the machine!
Hey, move away! Move away! I said move away! See that, sir?
Oh shit.
Oh my god. What is this, man? You could have put somebody experienced, right?
Sir, she's got 6 months
Or
experience.
6 months experience. Come with me outside.
Sorry, sir.
They just
Have
come.
you informed the doctor and the technical
What's
team and
this?
everything?
If they don't know the work, then why they are coming inside? What's this? Country fruit. You know the value of the mission? Who will pay the money for this?
Sir, you said some things.
Sir, actually, we can break the machine and save that girl's hand, sir.
Wow, super idea, super idea. Give me a hand, give me a hand.
Sir, leave me, sir. Sir, please leave my hand. Sir.
Now it's fading. Now it's fading, nah?
Sir, I'm
That's
sorry,
why I
sir.
said when it hurts your own hand, only then you'll understand. Now will you ask us to break the machine? Car is running, right? AC is running, right? Is it running with your father's money? It's running with my money. How dare you say you can break the machine?
Okay,
I know what to do. Just shut your mouth and do your job. Go. Simply talk whatever you want to say. Hello. Who is this?
Sir, she said she is a medical college student. She's waiting for you for a long time, sir.
Hello, sir.
Please take your seat. Tell me.
Your house is so beautiful. Very pleasant also. The same beauty and pleasant, if your factory members also get means it will be very nice, no sir? The machineries which your factory is being used is very old, so because of that the volume is increased in double. Not only that, in your factory chromium is used for the coating also. There are lot of procedures to use chromium, sir. First of all, the body should be covered with a sheet. Dosimeter should be used to check either chromium is affected or not. Lab coat, face mask, this all must be used. In each 24 hours, your workers should be test urine to check either chromium is affected or not. But in your factory, not even a single procedure is followed. Without knowing the series of the chromium, they are just grinding the chromium in their bare hands, sir. Without knowing, they are gradually dying with the cancer they are working.
How do you know so much about all this?
I saw, sir. I directly went to your factory and saw. I even took the photos. I have all the evidence, sir. Have it.
Hey, where you come and what you saying?
Shut your mouth first. She has got into the factory and taken photographs of everything. What is the point in saying now? Just keep shut. So what do you want me to do now?
The members who are working in your factory must get all the precautions, sir. Instead of old machines to control volume, you have to buy new machines, sir.
Which brand bra are you using? Which brand, dear? Why are you staring? If I don't like the brand that you are using, will you change the brand for me? This is like that only. For your convenience, I cannot do anything. For installing new machines, I have to stop 6 months of work. I have to pay salary for all those people who do not work for 6 months. For buying the new machines, I have to put around 120 crores. If any common man around dies, I am I the person to spend that money. I shall buy bundles of cotton and give, stuff them in the ears and work. Noise is piercing, it seems. Nonsense.
To make your 100 crores as 200 crores, why should the innocents must die?
Hey, why she is doing like this and talking like this? You have to kill her.
Hey, just close your mouth. God knows what all evidences she has. I know what to do with her.
Hello.
Who are you, ma'am? Why are you going inside?
No, please no. Kalpana, open your eyes. Kalpana, please Kalpana, open your eyes. See me. Just see me once. When did it got?
It's been 1 hour, doctor.
Oh,
Nobody is
God.
taking care.
Oh my god. Oh, bleeding is going on. Sir, please break the machine. Blood loss is
Kalpana.
going on severely. Immediately
Kalpana.
have to take her to hospital.
Sorry,
Get her.
ma'am, I don't have permission to break and all. You ask the GM.
She is dying over here. Please break the machine.
I don't know anything, ma'am. You go and ask there.
Sir,
Kalpana.
please break the machine. Kalpana. Sir, please, sir, break the machine.
I don't have permission to break. Ask the GM. I
Okay,
said,
wait. Sir, Kalpana is my friend, sir. She is getting severe loss of blood, sir. Please come and ask them to break the machine, sir.
What are you talking? We are not supposed to break machine. We have the permission only to repair that, okay? The technical team are working on this continuously. Within 2 hours, the hand will be removed.
Sir, I'm a doctor, sir. 2 hours, she can't bear that, sir.
What are you
Please break
talking,
the
madam?
machine.
The machine is about 1 crore. We cannot lose it.
Machine is not important than life, sir. Please, sir. Please come and ask them to break the machine, sir. She is getting lot of blood loss, sir. Please. Please ask them to break, sir.
Hello? Yeah, tell me. Huh? What? Okay, do it fast. You can go. The hand will be removed in 1 hour. I've got some work here. Can you please leave?
Doctor! Doctor! Doctor, please come fast! Sir, she got severe blood loss. Please arrange for A positive blood, sir. From long time she was unconscious, sir. Immediately we have to give tips also, sir. Sir, first give the first aid, sir.
Sorry, ma'am,
Ask
she's
them to
already
keep the
dead.
emergency ward ready, sir. Kalpana! 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 In this corporate owner society, there is no value for the workers. Their only motivation is about the turnover and the profit. Because of the negligence of the factory only, my dear friend has lost her life. Just like her only, all the workers are dying slowly. Because of that only, I collected all the evidence which belongs to that factory. I filed the case in Chennai High Court Public Interlitigation also. Tomorrow there is a hearing. Surely they know that the case is against them. First they warned me, and now they're just trying to kill me also.
Whatever happens, Priya, tomorrow we will definitely reach the court for the case. It is our responsibility.
I don't want you people to face problem because of me.
What, Priya? Are you going to the court for a property case or an individual case for you? This is not a problem among the relatives. People's life are involved in this case. Whatever happens, we are there with you.
Why is he doing all this?
Hey, Mike, what did you tell me? The people who are leaving this platform are having some job and they're moving towards to reach their target. Didn't you tell me? Now we too have got a job. We have to take Priya to the court to fight her case. That's her job, my
Take your
dear.
hand off. That's your job. We'll help you. Why are you involving me in that? You like this girl, you go behind her, get beaten and killed. If you are alive, you go and get married. Otherwise, why are you involving me in that?
Mike, you're my best friend.
That only you are saying, right? I didn't say so far.
So am I not your friend?
No,
Are you sure?
not at all.
Bro, 1 minute.
What, brother?
He says he's not my friend at all.
Why did he say so?
I think he's become mad.
Now what is his
You know how
problem?
much help I have done to my friend, my dear bro?
Is it?
He did not have money to buy liquor and he
Ah.
involved himself in a theft one day. People found it and all of them started chasing him. And I was the one who saved him from them. That day you couldn't see me as your friend, right? He got into one more problem. Nearby town he went for a hack. He couldn't pay money for that and he escaped from the saloon. That saloon owner started chasing him. That time also I saved him. You couldn't remember me as your friend that time also, right? There is one more old story, bro. I will tell you that. This
That's
guy
enough
tried
now,
to...
you stop. You shut up, man. You tell brother. Hey, there's nothing more to get me ashamed now. You have anyway decided to die and you want me to join you. That's it, right? Now I don't mind dying. I'll join you.
I'm really happy.
Hey,
Mike.
Chi, leave me. Oh, my sweet little brother. There will be a million issues between friends. Why do you take all that seriously? Just chill. Actually, I didn't feel bad for what he spoke. Then what, man? There are certain people who cannot be treated as human beings, nah, you dumb fool. There is no point telling all this to you. Our factory case, which is filed under the public litigation cell in the High Court, is coming for hearing tomorrow. The Dr. Priya has only filed the case. What is your opinion about it? Is our defense strong or is it weak? If you keep staring at my face, how is it going to
Sir,
happen?
after the Bhopal factory disaster, generally the court are very careful while giving the verdict for the pollution cases, sir. We have to note one more thing, sir. The Environment Protection Act, Factories Act, everything is against us.
Also, that girl's untimely death, which comes under the culpable homicide, is also going against us. That judgment actually cannot be ignored by us.
Most important point, in Article 21 of our Constitution, they've given a case against us, so we should be very careful.
Labor's life is very important. You should not take it very lightly.
This case definitely will be taken very seriously in the High Court, sir.
What's this? Everyone is talking negative. You people are asking me to close the factory? Useless. It's a waste of time.
Do you know anything called locus standi under public litigation? Any idea?
What's local standing? Didn't they tell you not to go to the court? Did you listen? Now you're going to get killed. What, baby? Are you ready? Are you ready? Take it.
Take all the necessary documents of the court.
Take it!
Don't take Priya. Don't take it.
Don't talk, man.
I said take it.
No, Priya. Don't give him.
Take it.
Never give it.
Wait, I'll give everything.
Take it.
No. Don't give that.
Take it. Take it. What's this?
Come on.
It's his bag. Shit. Give me that. Give me that. Laptop.
Hey.
Stupid. Hey.
Hey.
Put the knife down.
You don't know actually whom you're playing with.
Hey! I said put the knife down. No. No. Move it. Move it. Move it, I said. You come this side. Come on. Move on.
Priya, come.
I said
Come,
move on.
Mike. It's not safety for us to travel in this train. Come, let's get on from here. Come. Slowly.
Carefully.
Hold my hand. Come. Hey, careful.
Priya, how do we say thanks in Hindi?
बहुत शुक्रिया.
Hey, Mike, where are you going? Stop. Hey, Mike. Son of a bitch.
Bhaiya. Shukriya.
Come, Mike. Mike, do you have some money to get some
For
tea?
drinking tea, you don't need money. Mouth is enough.
You always come empty-handed.
First of all, I didn't have money for ticket. I asked from you.
My dear friend, then what guts did you have to bring that girl to another place and live?
Hey, you destroyed that in the first place, na? For a friend's love to be successful, I have seen friends who have sacrificed their everything in their life. But a friend who destroys love, I have seen for the first time in my life.
Hey, I've done a good thing for you, okay? Actually, I have not done anything. She knew that you are financially very weak. That's the reason she left you. I'm very sure about that. Mike, I don't think even Priya's got money with her.
Looks like she is wearing something. God knows that whether that is gold or gold covering.
What, Mike? What happened?
No, nothing. Just that when we ran from the train, I have left my bag there and I lost my debit card, credit card, everything.
Oh my God, I'm sorry. How much it was there?
No, nothing. Just around 50,000.
What?
The weather is very hot here, na?
Because of me only you're facing all these problems. After going to Chennai, I'll just return everything.
Don't give it in check, just give it in cash.
Hey, Priya, he's just joking and taking you for a ride. He doesn't have a visiting card, you know? You think he'll have an
Again, he's
ATM card?
making fun.
Priya, those guys have torn the documents and destroyed the evidence. Now, how will you go to the court?
That is not a matter. All that were copies only. All originals are at home. So after going to Chennai, we can take printout. It's not an issue.
Superb. Actually, what he said is a good thing only. What is his problem in changing the machine? Is machine important or life?
Because of their carelessness only. Even if we want to dig the drainages also, there is a lot of life risk. There is a rule that children should not work in the crackers factory. But after the loss of 24 kids only, we are able to follow that rule. Even in a highway road also, well will be open for long years. But when a bus fell down and got loss of 100 lives, after that only they are closing the well. The cost of that slab is only 5,000. If this was done before means 100 lives may be saved. For the authorities to check the school bus also, a kid must be fell into the wheel and die. There is a security for ATM machine also, but not for the human lives. After the loss only they are taking action. But I am taking action for not of any more life loss.
Divya? Hey Divya, where are you? Divya, are you a fool or what? Did you send people to kill her, huh?
Then what? I had to stand that side and had to see that girl. He had to gain a lot. I had to save the money.
Hey, don't talk like a fool. The people you sent are actually arrested by the railway police now. If the inquiry comes, you will get into trouble. Now you move, I'll take care of it.
What you will see? You gained a lot for the factory. We have to shut down the factory and go for court and case. If for her, I should not fear. If I lose everything, our servant also won't give the respect for me. She has to die before going to the court.
You are not understanding the real issue. If she dies, the problem will be bigger. Everything will come on Twitter and Facebook and we'll be finished. Now you just keep quiet. I'll just see how I can handle it legally.
You having lot of fear. I should not live with you. I have to get the divorce first.
Divya!
See here. She died already. You, me and our servant, everyone will be affected.
Aha, what an awesome time. God itself is sending us an ambassador car.
You fool. That's not an ambassador. It's an Audi car.
Who cares what car it is? He is driving as if he is learning. What, dude? Looks like a small chick is hatching and peeping out of the egg.
What nonsense are you doing here? How dare you stop my car? Can't you find any other place to end your life?
If you don't brush your teeth, I'll die of bad breath. Shit. Gone over. Oh my god. Sir, I didn't come to die, sir. I just asked a lift from
Hey! When you're asking a lift, you should ask like this. If you come in between, vehicle will go above on you. You don't even know the basic way of asking a lift. You stupid fellow, good for nothing. Look at me. I said look at me.
Can't bear your bad
Can you
breath.
ask a lift in the running crane? Can you block a flight and ask a lift in that? Do you think fools are driving a car? Do you know the actual rate of this car? It is rupees 1 crore, man. You should have a status to travel in this car, okay?
What is so important? You just need butts to sit.
Are you kidding? Do you know how many VVIPs are waiting for me? In my life, each and every minute, each and every second, I have built it myself.
Hey, I don't mind even if you don't give me lift. For heaven's sake, please keep your mouth shut. We'll take care of all that.
Look, do you know whom you're talking to? Have you heard about Arabic businessman?
Hey, did he ask? Did he ask for it? He's much better than you. Now you go from here.
I cannot go.
Then you stay here.
Tell me, my sweetheart.
Where are you, man?
In the middle of the forest.
You'll get it nice
What
for
did you
me.
say?
Maya is scolding sister.
No, I did not tell
Then
you,
who is
sweetheart.
there? I'm asking you only.
I
What
know.
you're talking all the
Once you
rubbish.
cross the road, those two monkeys were hit
What?
by my car.
I told
Mary.
you to bring the car only, no?
Mary,
You're taking the
please.
car and roaming
Shut
the
up,
ladies,
idiot.
right?
No.
For your nasty
Mary.
face, am I not enough for you?
Mary.
Taking the car and
My
roaming as you
darling.
wish? Come on,
No,
you are going to
no,
stay in the
please,
stable
please,
only.
Mary.
I will never enter you into my house.
No.
Without the car if you come home.
Tell me.
God.
Hello. Hey, shit. Shut up. Just keep your mouth shut. Hello.
I know about you. You can do it, I know that.
You want money.
I want she should not enter into the court.
She has to die.
What you're saying?
What happened? What is wrong with this car now? Nonsense. The car is brand new. How can something go wrong now? If there's some technical problem, how can I find somebody now to repair it? Shit, man. How did this come here now? Staring me like this. Oh. King Astro does not eat for about 1 month. Oh, no. No. I should be very brave now. Jesus. Manage.
Hi, darling. Where are you, man?
At the same time, I'm
asking you only.
What can
Where
I
are
do?
you now?
This dog will shout.
Come on,
If I
answer
don't
me.
talk, that dog
Why
will
you're
shout.
not
What
talking
can I do
anything?
now? Let
Why
me
you're
cut the
giving
phone now.
irrelevant answers?
Hello?
Hey, what is this guy doing here? Why is he staring like this?
He said he got some meeting with some VVIP. Now he is having a meeting with a dog.
He is a useless guy, I think.
Why are you moving around with stray dogs?
I've been trapped here, my dear friend.
I didn't ask you, I asked that dog.
My dear brother, my dear sweet brother, I want a help from you.
Huh?
Please help me.
If you want help, you come here. I won't come there.
One step from me, he will attack me. Please come.
What dialogues? What shouting? You are talking big dialogues, huh? Now try speaking the same thing to the dog. I want to see.
Mike, don't pull him. Why did you get down from the car?
While I was driving the car, there was some technical problem. Then suddenly this dog is also giving some problem for me. I did not know what to do in this forest. My dear friend, please repair the dog and save the car from me.
What?
My tongue got twisted because of my fear.
Hey, what is the point in me helping you? What is our benefit?
Wherever you want to get dropped, I will drop you, my dear friend. Please help me. You can believe me, my dear friend.
Bro,
All right.
you deal with the car. I'll take care of the dog.
Mike, give some respect for him.
My dear friend.
Hey, go man.
No. Please don't shout, my dear friend. Otherwise it will bite me.
Is it? Just wait and watch. Where's the stone?
Wait, please. Doggy. Cute it once. Catch.
The dog has gone.
Again you started opening your mouth. There is no point buying a 1 crore rupee car. Buy branded quality goggles. If you buy 50 rupee goggles, this is what will happen.
No, it's not 50 rupees.
How much?
Just 5 rupees.
Hey, shut up. Hey, man! Hey, you! Hey! Just park it to the side. Come on.
Sorry, sir. I am very sorry.
What do you mean by sorry?
Actually, I was not careful. Sorry. I'm really sorry.
And you
for
were not
that.
stopping only.
Sir, I was not careful by driving, sir. If I had seen you, I would have stopped the car definitely. I'm extremely sorry for that. Please forgive me, sir.
Who is this girl?
Wife, sir.
Huh?
I said she's my wife, sir.
What is this?
Surgical equipments. I'm a surgeon, sir. I mean, doctor.
Doctor.
Yes, sir.
What man? Smelling like dead meat? Hello.
You want to see him? Don't leave her. She should not leave the checkpost. I want to see her dead body.
Anand, something is there. Little up, little right, little down.
If he would have known this, he would have applied oil all over his face.
I found the truth, you know.
What?
That you both are lovers, belong to different community, parents objected, so you left the house. This boy is your friend, and he's helping you both. Am I right?
Sir, how did you guess exactly, sir?
I know face reading, sister.
Which means you are not a dumbass as you look like.
When I see a person's face, I can tell immediately about them.
Is it?
Yes.
Then look at my face and tell me everything about me.
Idiot. Stupid.
Hey,
Good for nothing
I
fellow.
didn't ask about you. I asked about me.
If somebody scolds you, then you will be definitely silent like this. Hey, you can always just support love
Are
alone.
you trying to
eh?
call me a pimp or what?
Hey, seeing your face, no girl will love you. In spite of that, if a girl loves you, then she'll come to the railway track and commit suicide.
Mike, I didn't tell him anything.
Hey bro, where did you meet your girlfriend first time?
Wine shop.
What? Drinking habit?
In running time, if we have drinks and smoking only, it'll be enjoying, no, sir.
What do you mean?
Look straight and drive, man, you fatso.
If there is drinks, means I have to smoke, no, sir. What, Mike?
I think she has heard everything from the restroom.
Bro, other than this man's friendship, you don't have any minus point at all. Your love is definitely very pure.
You're very right, sir.
Let me stretch my foot.
Take your leg. I said take your leg. I said take your leg, you stupid. Good for nothing? How dare you keep the leg there? Do you know the cost of this car? Uncivilized barbarian? No wonder people who belong to higher society behave with you.
As if he makes friendship with only Sachin and Shah Rukh Khan.
What did you tell?
Look forward and drive, man. Hey, why are you peeping at man? Huh?
Hey, just move.
Sir, it's a very spacious restaurant.
Looks like he brought us to a nice
You come
place.
here?
What, sir? We're going to have drinks and eat or what?
People like you would not have seen a hotel like this. Just turn back.
I know that, sir.
This hotel has got a wonderful menu, you know.
Okay, sir.
Tasty burger,
Okay, sir.
delicious chicken,
Ah.
mouth-watering mutton.
If you sprinkle like that, your eyes will burn,
Just
sir.
listen to me.
Sorry.
If you taste that mutton just once, you will feel that you're out of this world. The soup which are served here, once you have it, you will feel that you're having an ice cream. It will go inside.
Super, sir. Super, sir.
You both can wait outside. I will have something to eat and come.
Then you'll be getting me parcel or what?
Shut your mouth, you idiot!
Uh.
What do you think of me? Am I your waiter? Don't you have money?
In my name, I am only there.
I know that you're a beggar.
After all, you bought goggles for 5 rupees only. right?
First, learn to behave yourself, and then move with people like me. Okay?
Ah, he should be made to receive dog bites. Only then he'll be alright. Hey. Feeling hungry, bro? Hey. You have your own problems. That's right, no? She's going to leave in another couple of hours. Wondering what to do after that, right? Look here. She's got a little respect for you now. Grab this opportunity and tell her what you have in your mind right now. Do you get me? Whether she likes or not, you'll get to know now. What? Go ahead. You're thinking about the fatso or what? Forget about him. The moment I sit on this car, he'll come running and start blabbering about his car and everything else to me. You go and speak to her. You go, man. See, he started. Go. Look at him, scratching his head with a spoon. Slum fella, look at the way he's eating. He's got a 1 crore rupee car.
Sir, did you see Priya anywhere?
Your girlfriend? She should be here somewhere. Come on, have this. Come on, take. Come on, take. It's really tasty. Oh.
Priya? 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 Priya?
Anand? What happened?
No, I couldn't see you anywhere. That's why.
Sorry. All these tensions are because of me only, no? You are very happy when I saw you at the first time. As soon as we reach Chennai, you'll be free then. Please bear this problem for some more time, no?
Come on, Priya. Don't talk to me like this. It's really hurting. I was just wandering in my native place, you know. Even today when we are traveling the train, we didn't know where to go and what to do at all. After meeting you, I'm happy that I'm doing something useful in my life. After leaving you in your place, I don't know what I'm going to do in my life. I'm useless, Priya.
No. Why are you saying like this? Actually, I need people only like you. If we give ad in papers, you know what they are asking? Problem solvers, crisis handlers, committee workers. All these talents are there in you. You don't have a BE degree at the end of your name. Otherwise, all the qualities are there in you. Everyone can't repair the Audi car. Not only that, if it is for me or for Mike, if anyone get problem, you are the only person coming friend to solve that. I'm confirmly saying you can achieve greatly.
Priya! Come, let's move from here. Come on, let's go, quick. Come. Hey,
Come,
take the car.
Come, get in the car first. Come, let's move. Come on,
You
quick.
sit that side, I'll take the car.
Soon,
Come on, enter Priya, come on, quick. Let's move,
Take
come on.
the car. Take the car.
Come on, quick. Let's move. Come on.
Hey, careful.
Come on,
I
go
think they're
fast,
chasing
Anu.
us.
Be careful.
Come on, careful. Hey, who is he? Why is he chasing us?
go fast.
I don't know what is happening here. Please tell me. I have seen such changes only in English movies. Please go slowly. It's my new
Hey, you go
vehicle.
fast, man.
Don't go too
Can you
fast.
please shut your mouth and sit?
Just shut up, okay? It's my new car.
Man, he'll lose his concentration, man. You drive.
Come on, go fast, Anand.
Go. Please slowly. Don't smash it. Please, it's my new vehicle. It's very costly.
Come, Priya.
Okay,
Let's get out, come on.
Get on fast, get on fast.
Priya, get out
Hey, Priya, come fast. Get down.
Mike, just rush out. Come fast. Come, quick. We have to escape, come on. Come, Priya, get inside. Come, quick. Come, let's go that side, come. Mike, come here, man. Shh. Hey, when I told to come, why didn't you come? Priya, listen to me. Come on, move. No. I said move.
My new car! My new car! Come here! Come here, you fool! Come soon! Hey, you man! Because of your love, my car is damaged completely!
Listening to him shouting is worse than whatever we got now.
As you think we are not actual lovers, sir.
Then why the hell did you chase you guys?
Sir,
What?
1 minute. I'll say you.
Just give us 10 days, sir. We will repair the car and give you.
Surely we'll make it ready, sir.
Where's your father working?
No, sir.
Where are your brothers working?
I don't have anything like
And
that.
your
sir.
relatives?
I don't have any.
You don't have relatives nor good people. But you guys have a very good heart in helping others. And why don't you accept me also in your group?
Just for keeping my foot on your car, you started shouting at me.
My dear friend, I can claim that in insurance, paying rupees 40,000 per annum. So any amount which I spend on this car, I'll get it back easily. You did not worry at all. If car goes, you can get it back. But what about our life? My dear friend, take this. Book a taxi and just get back to your home. Please have this. It's my card. Any help you can ask me anytime.
Sir, what about your car?
No, you do not worry about that, my dear friend. Please leave. I will take care of that. Please leave. I said please leave. Come
Thank you
on,
so
come on.
much, sir.
Come on, quick. Bye.
Now where are we going to?
Lawyer's house in Tambaram.
Hey,
Come here!
what are you doing? Hey, who are you?
Come
Hey,
here!
leave her. I said leave her.
Hey!
Sir, Samuel, don't pull.
Hey!
Anand, he's my father.
Get lost. Who the hell are you guys?
Sir,
What bloody sir, man?
Hey! Sir!
You come here. Get it.
Please leave, Dad.
Oh God.
Daddy, let them also come. They are helping me, Daddy. Daddy, please
Hurry,
leave me.
go here.
I have to go, Daddy.
Get in, shut up.
Please.
Don't talk to me. Get
Mom,
lost from the way.
Please,
Come,
say
quick,
to Dad, I have to go.
Oh, come on, say.
Daddy, please, Daddy. Let me go, please, Daddy.
Because of her only all these problems are created.
I have to save all the lives, Daddy. Please.
Hello.
Tomorrow, daughter will not come to the court. For heaven's sake, don't trouble me anymore. Just leave us alone.
Daddy, please, Daddy, open the door, please.
hey, what man? Such a big hospital, whom to ask? Where do we go and find that girl? What man? One entire day you were traveling with that girl, but you didn't ask her address or phone number.
She was with us. I thought she'll be lifelong with us. How could I know that her father will take away from us?
And you are a bloody big multi-billionaire. The moment he knows that you are loving the girl, he's going to give you the girl. Address.
Keep quiet, we'll ask somebody. Excuse me? One Priya, she's a training doctor. By any chance, do you know her address?
There are around 600 students here. Some 50-60 Priya will be there. Where should I go and search the Priya you're looking for?
You please go inside and ask.
Thank you, sister.
Excuse me. One stupid fellow actually did this to me. Both of you together, can you give me an injection?
There is an OP doctor inside. He'll give you the injection. Go inside.
You guys don't have any other job or what?
Not your hand. Your mouth should be broken. He's so lunatic here.
Hey, immediately speak a foreign language, huh? Hope we are going to meet again in the same campus. Sir, do you know Dr. Don't Priya? know. Sir, we are coming from a faraway town. Do come.
Is Dr. Priya there?
Doctors are never free. They are always busy. What a nonsense question you're asking. Move.
You'll always remain a compounder.
As if you become a
He
collector.
behaves like people in our
Brother, please come here. Are you from Annarkudi?
Yes.
I am from Kailpatnam. Are you searching for the doctor, madam?
Do you know Priya?
Of course I know her, sir. I was working in a steel factory, chrome plating section, for about 5 years. Suddenly I got some disease. That time our doctor had come to our place for a medical camp. Doctor had a checkup on me and she found out that I have got cancer. She had admitted me in this hospital. All the senior doctors had checked up and they told me that I will not have a long
Oh,
life.
son, who are they? I didn't see them before. Are they your new friends? Look, children, he will be alright, no? Look, dear, your uncle has seen astrology on your name. Within 10 days, everything will be alright, it seems. You will be cured, son. Look, children, you both of you talk with him. I'll come with tea, okay? Stand here.
My mother doesn't know that I will not have a long life. She can't accept this truth. That's the reason I did not tell anything, because I love my mom very much. Sorry to trouble you with my story, sir. Please wait here. I'll inform the doctor.
Poor fellow. He is such a young guy. Dying stage.
Sir? That's Priya, sir.
You don't understand or what? Coming to make problem or what? Please get out from here or else I'll have to call the police.
Please open the door, Anand.
Sir, please try to understand, sir. Your daughter Priya is going for a good cause, sir. Please try to understand, sir.
Don't try to explain me anything.
No,
You can't
Daddy,
understand.
please allow me, Daddy.
Listen to me. I'm saying you know. Anand, hey, what are you doing? Hey, don't.
Listen to me what I'm saying. Daddy, I'm so really.
I am not being cruel here. The people who came here now, they are cruel. If you go to the court tomorrow, you will be stripped naked and made to stand on the road. That's what they came and cautioned me. Listening to all this, how can I allow you to go? Hey, they are all very dangerous people, man. They are too rich. They can do anything they want. Whatever is the case, I will not let you go.
Please study. You're making me to study medicine to save their lives. But if you say not to save lives, who is struggling in front of my eyes, means how, Dad? They are so poor, Dad. Please forgive me, Dad. I gave anesthesia to you, Dad. Within 2 hours, you will be normal, Dad. Nothing will happen to you, Dad.
Sir, what happened, sir? What happened?
Hey, why did you do like this? Please, nothing will happen to you, Dad. Everything will be alright. Dear Mother, look here. Please, look here, dear.
Don't worry, madam. He'll be alright. Come, Mike, let's move.
Public interest case. Factory labor safety. The life safety of the workers. Article 21 of the Constitution invoice. Petition by a doctor. Accepted by the court. You may reopen the case.
Milord, my motive is not to close the factory or stop the work of Selva Vinayagar Steel Factory. There is no security for the workers who work in that factory. I need only the full protection and full precaution for the workers. As the machines are bought before 75 years, by using that machines, the workers are receiving 140 decibel sound. Because of that, they are becoming deaf, heart attacks, BPs, abortion for ladies. All these reasons are because of the sound pollution. As a doctor, when I went to Thuthukudi camp, I was able to collect so many evidence. I got the expert opinion from the government doctor also. Not only that, to make the steel more shining, they are using chromium acid and other chemicals are also being used. There is no security for the workers who are exposing to that chemical, sir. The workers who are constantly exposed are not got any process safety or health safety anything, sir. There is an example for their factory's carelessness. A girl, Kalpana, who is working in that factory, got hand in the machine. If they wished means, they may have broke the machine and saved her life. But since the machine is costly, they have neglected to save her life. It's a gulf and a cold murder, my lord.
What's your prayer?
Without security, no factory should run. The judgment which is given by you today will save the innocents' life who are working in the factories like this, sir. Please save their lives.
SV Steels, what is your response?
My Honor, I, the Managing Director of SV Steel Industries, will truly present everything to the knowledge of the court. For my reference, I have got my advocates. My lord, this case filed under the Public Litigation Act seems to be targeted only at my factory. In our factory, we all interact like one family. Somebody who is jealous of my growth have actually caused this inconvenience
What
for us.
man? Do you really think this guy is talking genuinely?
This young Dr. Priya accuses my factory of producing excess noise, as a result of which heart attacks happen. On the 1st of every month, if I don't pay the salary only, they will get heart attack. For sound and noise will they get heart attack. That's a big joke. For the noise, it seems abortion happens or something. I frankly don't understand how you combine both abortion and my company. In fact, I am a person who treats all women like my sister. Women do not work for more than 6 hours in my factory. Most of the time they'll be at home only. They'll be washing clothes, they'll be lifting pots of water, they'll be having quarrels with their husbands and then getting beaten up. All this is not the cause of abortion, but only sound is the cause of abortion. I don't understand. Our factory actually runs on very silently only. This young doctor's next allegation is chromium.
Good morning to our honorable judge.
Are you working in the factory chrome plate section? Are you affected by any leprosy or cancer?
I am absolutely fine, Your Honor. No health problems at all.
He is lying.
Do you have a
He's not
regular
working
health
in the
checkup?
factory.
It is
He
not
working
required,
in his
Your
house
Honor.
only. I saw him.
Daily 2 doctors come and have the regular checkup. Yesterday also our urine was tested. We don't have any health problems, Your Honor.
My lord, I just would like to know who has got the authority to impose rules and punish us. Is it an individual or an appointed body of the government? Who is the competent authority here? Is it the inspector of factories or labor department or an individual doctor? I would like to know. My lord, regarding my factory, health inspector, factory union leader, government approved certificate, everything is presented to you. Have you given it or not?
I have given it, sir.
Sir, I am just summarizing it once. This young doctor is representing a body who speaks only lies.
Hey, what do you mean by she's talking lies? Are you talking something genuine?
who
Simply
are you to
don't
talk here?
man.
You sit down.
talk first,
Mike,
genuine.
please
You are not
don't
talking
stop,
something
sir.
genuine.
Hey,
You
you
don't
don't
say
stop.
first.
Okay.
Okay.
Please,
No, no, you
Kindly
cannot
sit
say that
down.
she's telling
Silence.
lies.
Sorry,
You are
sit
telling
down.
lies.
Order.
You were talking.
Kindly
You started
sit down.
first. You started
Mike,
accusing her.
please be silent.
She is accusing
Mike,
her.
sit down.
No, this cannot be happening in the court.
Mike,
No, this
silence.
doesn't happen in the court. You cannot
He's
talk
not
like
even
this.
a party to this.
Please sit down, sir.
Indecent young fellows. Come on, let's sit.
Your Honor, please forgive me, Your Honor. I purposely only created this havoc here. For this 1 minute of chaos, you got angry, right? You got tense, right? But there, from morning till night, the factory laborers toil amidst the machine noise. The intensity of the noise is killing, sir.
the court to meet at 5 o'clock for judgment. This case cannot be rejected just like that very easily. For the welfare of the workers, the doctor has submitted her points very clearly, and the court appreciates the doctor for a laudable effort. At the same time, as far as the factory and the labor department are concerned, inspection of factories, labor department and government, there is a big administrative hierarchy. Parliament, judiciary, administration. These three cannot interfere in their powers with each other. Inspectors of factory report, labor department affidavit. Taking these 2 points together, the court dismisses this case.
I told you right.
What happened, sir? You have lot of chances to cross-examine. Why you didn't do, sir? Yesterday night also you have gave us conference, no?
Case was very
Hey,
strong in
how
that
much did they pay you for this case?
Language, okay?
Hey, what do you mean by talk to whom? We got to talk to you only. Such a big case was handed over to you and you have actually not handled it properly. People are dying. Don't talk to me. I'll bash your face
Priya,
off.
he's got money from those guys. Don't believe him. You unfaithful.
She thought I'm a fool or what? What did you say? Company owners? No. Alligators. Will swallow without chewing itself, including law. When the lion hunts, nothing should come between him and the prey. What, doctor? You understand now? Tell me, Joseph. Thanks, man. The case is over in our favor. Where are you now? I've got my flight early in the morning. Can we have dinner together? You please be there only. I'll come in half an hour.
Now you are talking with Malar, I know that very well. Today night you are going to spend with her, I know that. You gave my factory as a gift, thanks for that. Keep my factory as a gift.
Hey!
What? You can't bear the smell or what? I have only drunk half a bottle. He has drunk a full bottle.
Drunkard fellows, how did you get inside my car? First get out of my car, or else I'll kick you out of my car.
If you shout too much, I'll poke it in. You are talking too much in court. Now talk and see. Talk, you bloody. You're a big corporate crocodile, huh? We are corporation mosquitoes. However big person you are, we'll drink your blood.
Hey, before the signal changes, just change your seat and listen to me, okay?
Hey!
I said change your seat, man. Quick! Hey, lift your hands. Hey, Mike, just hold him. Come on.
Hey, you're
Tie his
drunk
hands.
and you're doing a big mistake now. You're going to repent for whatever you're doing now.
Hey, just shut up your mouth, okay?
Just wait and see what I'm going to do with you guys.
Quiet.
You don't know about me, you'll be in big trouble.
Hey, I said shut up.
Hey, why are you driving, man? You cannot drive now. Please listen to me.
Hey, this man should not be alive.
Hey, don't, man. If you drive, he'll die, man.
Hey, I'll take care of that. Just
Actually,
leave
I'm
me.
trying to make you
Hey,
understand.
hey.
Please understand what I'm
Just
saying.
shut up, please. Get out from here. Hey,
Hey,
just
listen
move.
to what I'm
Hey,
saying now.
hey.
You don't take your own
Listen,
Hey,
please.
hey, stop, man.
What are you doing?
Hello?
Priya, Anand has actually kidnapped Selva Vinayagan and taken him in the car.
What, Mike?
He is actually fully drunk, Priya. If he drives like this, he will meet with some accident. You call him only, then he'll stop the car. Thank you so much, sir.
Oh my God! Hey, you bloody drunkard fellow! Don't use the phone while you're driving,
Hey,
you
just
fool!
shut up, okay?
Anand, Where are you? Please stop the car.
Hey, you don't talk over
please
phone.
listen to
Priya,
me.
he's drunk. Ask him not to drive.
Hey, shut up.
Anand, please stop the car.
No, Priya. This bloody fellow is playing with people's lives, you know. I should make him understand the actual
Tell him
value
actually
of
not to
life.
drive now.
I
He's
will
very
not
rash.
leave this bloody fellow.
Oh God, please don't talk foolishly. To save their lives only, I was struggling like this, no? Please, Anand, kindly stop the car.
No,
Tell him not to
Priya.
drive now.
Please stop it.
No, Priya, I'm not going to leave this bloody fellow. I'm going to kill him.
Hello? Anand!
Oh, no, you're going to crash now. Brakes, apply brakes.
Anand. Anand.
Priya, come. Anand, Priya, you go the other way. Sir,
Anand.
Uh,
Anand, are you okay?
yeah, I'm okay.
sir, 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 sir.
Sir, are you okay, sir? Anand, are you okay? Why did you do like this, Anand?
No, Priya. You have to win. That's the reason
Don't talk
you should
stupidly.
be killed.
Who said that if we die only I will win? It's not like that.
Oh, sir, Priya, Priya, just come and see. See what happened to
He
him.
got heart attack.
Just leave him, Priya. He should die.
Come and hold him. Come and hold him.
Please
I said
Come
leave
and
him.
hold
Let him die.
Please.
No, I will not hold him.
Just stop
Take
it.
him,
Kindly
take him
help me
somewhere.
to take him to
Hold
hospital,
him, man.
please.
Take him to the hospital. We have to take him.
Please bring the
Hold
stretcher
him, man.
fast. Come on, go fast.
Sir, keep breathing. Sir,
Sir,
keep
open
breathing.
your
Sir.
eyes, sir.
Sir, keep breathing, sir. Sir, please open your eyes and keep breathing.
Sir, nothing will happen to you, sir.
Sir, just
Sir,
relax, sir.
take a
Just
deep
relax.
breath.
Everything is
Nothing
fine.
will happen to you, sir.
Everything is fine with you, sir. Just
Open
relax.
your eyes, sir.
He has achieved his goal.